The example, the points A, B and C have position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar respectively. The point P is midpoint of AB. Find in terms of A bar, B bar and C bar the vector PC. Now here it is a given A bar, B bar and C bar are the position vectors of point ABC. It is given that A bar, B bar, C bar are position vectors of points A, B and C respectively. Okay. Let P bar is position vector of point P. Okay. Here P is a midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. Then by the midpoint formula, P bar is equal to A bar plus B bar upon 2. It is the position vector of point P bar. Then we find the vector PC. Okay. Therefore, the vector PC is equal to C bar minus P bar, and then C bar minus P bar, C bar minus A bar plus B bar upon 2, and then it is 2C bar minus A bar plus, sorry, it is again minus B bar upon 2. Okay. 2C bar minus A bar minus B bar upon 2. It is the vector PC in terms of A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay. It is the vector PC in terms of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. Now we see next example. If D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC, then prove that AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. Now here DEF are the midpoints of sides. 1 minute, here sides are given. Sides, 1 minute, it is sides BC, CA and AB. That is, D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of CA and F is a midpoint of AB. DEF are midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB. Okay. Now Here, first we write the position vectors of all points. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar and F bar are position vectors of points A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. Okay, with respect to origin, it is a position vector. Now, here given in triangle ABC, DEF are the midpoints of side BC, CA and AB. Here, in triangle ABC, D, E and F are midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay, that is D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of CA and F is midpoint of AB. Therefore, we can write D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2 by midpoint formula. D is a midpoint of BC, therefore D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2. E is a midpoint of CA, therefore E bar is equal to C bar plus A bar upon 2. And F is a midpoint of AB. F is a midpoint of AB, therefore we can write A bar plus B bar upon 2 are the D bar, E bar and F bar. Now we have to prove this. Okay, now vector AD plus vector BE and plus vector CF. Okay, this is equal to vector AD can be written in the position vector. Vector AD means D bar minus A bar. It is a D bar minus A bar plus E bar minus B bar and plus F bar minus C bar. AD D bar minus A bar, BE E bar minus B bar, CF F bar minus C bar. Now put the values of D, E and F, D bar, E bar and F bar. Therefore we can write here D, it is B bar plus C bar upon 2 minus A bar. D bar minus A bar, D bar minus A bar, it is D bar minus A bar plus E bar minus B bar, E bar it is C bar plus A bar upon 2 minus B bar plus F bar A bar plus B bar upon 2 minus C bar. Now calculate B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar upon 2 plus C bar plus A bar minus 2B bar upon 2 plus A bar plus B bar minus 2C bar upon 2. Here addition of these two terms, here denominator is same, therefore adding the numerator. Therefore here B bar minus 2B bar and it is plus B bar, that is plus 2B bar minus 2B bar get cancelled. C bar plus C bar, 2C bar minus 2C bar get cancelled. Minus 2A bar and it is plus 2A bar get cancelled. Therefore it is 0 bar upon 2 and that is it is 0 bar. Therefore AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar is equal to 0 bar. It is the proof. Where D, E and F are the midpoints of side BC, CA and AB. Okay. Now you see next. Next example, the position vector of three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram. Are I cap plus j cap plus k cap I cap plus 3j cap plus 5 k cap and 7 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 11 k cap. Then find the position vector of the fourth vertex. Okay. Now here we have given the three consecutive vertices of the parallelogram. Okay, here we consider first the parallelogram. Let A, B, C and D is a parallelogram. Okay, then again let the position vectors of vertices, let A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar are position vectors of points A, B, C and D respectively. Okay, here given that the three vertices of the parallelogram, here it is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. Suppose given the vertices are A, B and C, we find the vertex D. Okay, let therefore it is A bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. B bar is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 5 k cap, and then C bar is equal to 7 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 11 k cap. Now we find the fourth vertex D. Okay, we find the position vector of the fourth vertex, that is a D bar. Okay, given A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay, and are the vertices of the parallelogram. Okay, then by using the properties of parallelogram are the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, therefore here diagonal AC and diagonal BD bisect each other at point E. Okay, that is E is a midpoint of AC and E is a midpoint of BD. Okay, that is E is a midpoint of AC and A and C are the given. Therefore we find the position vector of point E, and again E is a midpoint of BD. Therefore E we find, and it is B is already given, then we find the position vector of D. Okay, here it is we know the property of parallelogram, the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, here we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, therefore let the diagonal at point E diagonal bisect each other. Okay, therefore at point E with position vector E bar, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, here then diagonal bisect each other at point E. That is, E is a midpoint of AC and E is midpoint of BD. That is, E is midpoint of AC and BD. Therefore, E bar is equal to A bar plus C bar upon 2 and E bar is equal to B bar plus D bar upon 2. Okay, दोन्ही continuously equal लिहिलं तरी जमते. Okay, now here given A bar, C bar. Okay, here now we can write A bar plus C bar upon 2 is equal to B bar plus D bar upon 2. Okay, position vector is same. Then A bar plus C bar is equal to B bar plus D bar, and therefore D bar is equal to A bar plus C bar minus B bar. A, B, C are the given. Okay, therefore A I cap plus J cap plus K cap plus C 7 I cap plus 9 J cap plus 11 K cap, and minus B, it is I cap minus 3 J cap plus 5 K cap, and therefore the position vector of point D, it is 1 plus 7 8, 8 minus 1, it is a 7 I cap, 7 plus 9, it is 10, and 10 plus 3 minus minus, it is plus, 10 plus 3, it is 13 J cap. K plus 11, it is a 12K, 12 minus 5, it is a 7K cap. Okay, it is a position vector of fourth vertex. Okay, of the parallelogram. Okay, here we use the condition diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, this example can also solve by another method. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, here ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, therefore opposite sides are equal and parallel, therefore AB is equal to DC. Okay, AB is equal to DC, and then magnitude is same, and here AB and DC are in the same direction, therefore we can write AB is equal to DC, and then it is B bar minus A bar is equal to C bar minus D bar, and then D bar इकडे गया, हे दोन्ही इकडे गया, therefore D bar is equal to A bar plus C bar and it is minus B bar. A bar plus C bar minus B bar. पुन्हा हेच कॅल्क्युलेशन. इथे आपण कंडिशन कोणती यूज केली? The midpoint of both diagonals is same. Then we get the fourth vertex. We use this condition. Opposite sides are equal and parallel of the parallelogram. Therefore, magnitude of opposite side is same, and here direction of vector AB and vector DC is also same. We can use also AD and BC. Okay, मेथड कोणतीही घ्या. ओके, याच्यानं आपल्याला काय मिळणार? फोर्थ वर्टेक्स. फक्त प्रॉपर्टी करेक्ट यूज करा, पॅरलोग्रामच्या प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, डायगोनलची यूज करा किंवा साईडची यूज करा, दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही मेथडने केलं तरी आन्सर एकच येते. ओके, नाउ वी सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. A point P with position vector minus 14 I cap plus 39 J cap plus 28 K cap, it is 28 upon 5 divides the line joining A minus 1, 6 and 5 and B in the ratio 3:2. Then find the point B. Okay. Here the position vector of point is given. First we can write the position vectors of all points. Let A bar, B bar and P bar are position vectors of points A, B and P respectively. Okay, therefore it is given A bar is equal to minus I cap plus 6 J cap plus 5 K cap. P bar is equal to minus 14 I cap plus 39 J cap plus 28 K cap upon 5. Okay, and here given P divides AB in the ratio 3:2. Therefore we can write P bar is equal to 3 into B bar plus 2 into A bar upon 3 plus 2. Okay, put the all values. P bar, it is minus 14 I cap plus 39 J cap plus 28 K cap whole to the upon 5 is equal to 3 into B bar plus 2 into A bar. A bar it is minus I cap plus 6 J cap plus 5 K cap whole to the upon 5. Okay, 5 get cancelled. Then here minus 14 I cap plus 39 J cap plus 28 K cap is equal to 3 into B bar minus here 2 I cap plus 12 J cap and plus 10 K cap. Okay, therefore 3 B bar minus 2 I plus 12 J and plus 10 K या साइड ला गया. Okay, therefore we can write minus 2 I या साइड ला काय होणार plus 2 I. Therefore it is minus 12 I minus 14 and that plus 2. It is 39 and that is the 12 या साइड ला पुन्हा काय होणार minus. Okay, therefore it is plus 27 J cap. 39 minus 12. Now here 28 and again minus 10. Therefore it is plus 18 K cap is equal to 3 B bar. Okay, and therefore B bar is equal to 3 ने divide करा, it is minus 4 I cap plus 9 J cap and plus 6 K cap. Okay, 3, 4, 9 and it is 6, and therefore coordinates of point B minus 4, 9 and 6. Okay, it is the point B. Okay, now next example. if ABC is a triangle whose orthocenter is P and circumcenter is Q, then prove that PA bar plus PB bar plus PC bar is equal to 2 into PQ bar. Here, triangle ABC whose orthocenter is P. Orthocenter, it is a orthocenter means it is a point of concurrence of altitudes of triangle. Point of concurrence of altitudes of triangle. Here A, B and C. Point of concurrence of altitudes of triangle. Okay, that is the height of triangle. Okay, it is called the orthocenter. Here notation it is a P. And circumcenter it is a point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors. Okay, point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. Okay, perpendicular bisectors, it is A, B and C. It is a perpendicular bisector. Here equal, then it is a perpendicular bisector. Again both are equal and the perpendicular bisector is this. Suppose, okay, it is called Q. Circumcenter, it is a perpendicular point of concurrence of perpendicular bisector. Orthocenter, it is a point of concurrence of the altitudes of triangle. Altitudes of triangle is in the triangle point. So it is orthocenter of triangle. It is a in the triangle. If triangle is a right angle, then orthocenter it is a this point of concurrence of two sides of perpendicular. It is a orthocenter. Okay, but the circumcenter of the triangle is inside the triangle or outside the triangle. Okay, if triangle is obtuse, then the circumcenter is outside the triangle. Okay, here circumcenter is a point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of triangle, and it is orthocenter, it is a point of concurrence of altitudes of triangle. And we know that the centroid of the triangle, centroid it is a point of concurrence of medians of triangle. Okay, here medians, okay, are the not perpendicular, only bisect. Okay, it is called G, that is the centroid. Okay, centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter, okay, of any triangle, then the relation between the centroid, circumcenter and orthocenter is the centroid of triangle. Okay, here suppose it is a orthocenter, then perpendicular bisector drawn here. Suppose orthocenter it is P, and here we get Q, and here we get R. So it is G. Okay, in a triangle. Okay, P is orthocenter, G is a centroid, and Q is a circumcenter of the triangle. And then the relation between this P, G and Q, that is the orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid, are collinear, and centroid G divides QP, that is line segment joining circumcenter and orthocenter, internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay, here circumcenter, orthocenter and centroid are collinear. Okay, and centroid divide the line segment joining circumcenter and orthocenter internally in the ratio 1:2. ही relation लक्षात राहू द्या. Okay, here in any triangle, okay, in any triangle it is a orthocenter, sorry, it is circumcenter. Orthocenter becomes here P, and centroid is this. Then here, and it is a orthocenter, and it is a point G. Therefore P, G and Q are collinear, and point G divide QP internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay, here we use this result in this. Okay, here it is a PA, PB, PC and PQ. It is a P is the orthocenter. Therefore the position vectors of the points, position vectors of all points we take with respect to the orthocenter. Okay, here let A bar, B bar, C bar and Q bar are position vectors of points A, B, C and Q respectively with respect to orthocenter P. Okay, and here let G with position vector G bar is centroid of triangle ABC. Therefore we can write G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. Okay, and we know that point G divide, that is centroid divide, centroid of triangle divide the line segment joining circumcenter and orthocenter internally in the ratio 1:2. Now here we know that centroid G of triangle ABC divides line segment joining the circumcenter Q and orthocenter P internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore we can write G bar is equal to 1 into P bar plus 2 into Q bar upon 1 plus 2. That is G divides QP internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay. G divides QP internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore this can be written as, then G bar is A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. It is a G bar is equal to P bar plus 2Q bar upon 3. Okay, then 3 get cancel. Okay. Here 3 get cancel. We can write here A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to P bar plus 2 A bar plus B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 2Q bar. Here we consider the position vectors of A, B, C, Q with respect to the orthocenter. Okay, therefore take the orthocenter P bar as a origin, that is the 0 bar. We consider the position vectors of point A, B, C and Q with respect to the orthocenter P. Therefore it is a P is equal to 0 bar. Then it is P, and then position vector of A with respect to P, it is PA. Position vector of B with respect to P, it is PB, plus position vector of C with respect to P, it is PC. 2 into position vector of Q with respect to P, it is a PQ, and therefore it is PA plus PB plus PC is equal to 2 into PQ. Here we consider the position vectors with respect to the orthocenter, therefore take it is as a 0 bar, that is P bar is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully. Now next, if P is orthocenter, Q is circumcenter, and G is centroid. Of triangle ABC, then prove that vector QP is equal to 2 into vector QG. Here, last example with respect to the orthocenter, the PA, PB, PC and PQ. Here with respect to Q, QP and it is QG. Okay. Now let P bar and G bar are position vectors of points P and G respectively with respect to circumcenter. It is Q. Okay. Then again we know that centroid G divides QP internally in the ratio 1:2. We know that centroid G divides line segment joining the circumcenter Q and orthocenter P internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore we can write G bar is equal to 1 into P bar plus 2 into Q bar upon 1 plus 2. Okay. Here therefore G bar is equal to here P bar upon 3, as G bar, P bar and G bar are the position vectors with respect to circumcenter. It is circumcenter, therefore the Q bar as a 0 bar. Okay. Here P bar and G bar are position vectors of point with respect to circumcenter Q bar, therefore Q bar it is a 0 bar, and then it is 3G bar is equal to P bar. G bar is a position vector of point G with respect to Q, therefore it is QG bar, and P bar is a position vector of point P with respect to Q, therefore it is QP, and it is the proof. Okay, QP is equal to 3 into QG. Okay.